Haki manungda chatpa hogdaragani aduna isa gi oiba khudongchagada mawongda chatinaba amadi yamna.
My name is Ilangmum Johnson. I am a politician.
So how you see the steps taken up by the government regarding the NRC or census, and how you see today's rally?
Today rally is a very rightly timed rally. We need this kind of rally frequently now and then, because since 1980, when the foreigner issue was taken off, the literal meaning of that movement was to identify foreigners and deport them at that time. So simultaneously in 1994 again another MOU was signed, but nothing has been taken up so far. So it has remained simply a dead letter. So we have now witnessed how the decadal growth rate has increased so suddenly. So in 2001 we have witnessed the decadal growth rate increasing to around 169 in one particular subdivision of hill areas. So people were demanding that these are actually erroneous data. It has to be reviewed, rechecked and re-evaluated. But nothing has been done so far, and forcibly the central leaders have continued with the wrong data and still been continuing till today. So regarding census, there are so many conventions held.
Antana Akmam, I am the convener of the 14th CSO Kanglei Park.
So from where you have to start this rally and why?
The rally is to start from Tidim ground and it will end at Thau ground. A public meeting will be organized where we'll be taking different resolutions with regards to the updation of NRC in Manipur.
What are your other main agendas?
See, the main agenda is it's very simple. The government of India, Home Ministry has been repeatedly mentioning that they will be looking after the illegal immigrants in Assam and West Bengal. But I think they have repeatedly ignored the issue of Manipur. Now, Manipur issue is totally different as comparing to the West Bengal and Assam. Because Manipur has different communities. There is a scheduled tribe order in Manipur which has been amended many times. As far as the government of India's different letter is concerned, there has been incidents where the Home Ministry has advised the state government to find the illegal immigrants and deport them as per the 1946 Foreigners Act. Now the government of Manipur and the central government needs a proper coordination with regards to that, which is not yet been done. Another main issue is that the government of India has already issued one gazette, which is supposed to study the demographic changes in the state in all the states of the country. Now we as a Manipuri, we are to demand the state government to recommend an agency who knows the hitter and titter and everything of Manipur, which can help the demographic changes committee to bring out the original illegal immigrants and the original citizens of the state.
Is the only solution welcome to save our ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜ NRC ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯆꯥ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯨꯠ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ NRC ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ